Diane Rowden with awesome Hernando County, and I'm sitting here today with Tresa Watson, and she's with the Hernando County Community Anti-Drug Coalition. And I'm here to congratulate Tresa and the coalition because they won the Coalition of the Year National Award, and this is 22 countries, 50 states, 22 countries, and Hernando County received that award. And Tresa, I just want to say congratulations for obviously a lot of hard work that went into this and dedication. So, but I'd like you to, talk a little bit about the Anti-Drug Coalition and your award that you received.
Sure. Well, thanks for the congratulations. I first wanted to say that the Anti-Drug Coalition is a grant-funded agency. We work on community-based prevention, and the goal we try to accomplish is population level change, which means we're looking for a reduction in behaviors, in our case, substance abuse. So,
and when you say substance abuse, and I have to tell you, I want to congratulate you because of the tobacco-free campuses now that we have at our schools, and that was implemented this last June, wasn't it?
Yes, that's correct. When we look at what we do is it's called environmental prevention, and the tobacco-free schools was a big challenge, and in our book, a big success. We worked for 5 years on getting it in policy passed, and right now we're in implementation and rollout phase. But that was a long time coming, and that's a big part of this award.
And I think another part of the award is the fact is that before this happened in 2015, is that you were able to get all 3 hospitals in Hernando County. I think that was in 2009. Maybe you can explain what went into that, Tresa, with they're all tobacco-free
Hospitals,
yes, right?
That is correct. And actually, that is headed up through our tobacco grant, our county grant. Every county gets a tobacco grant, and in partnership with our health department, they were able to get all 3 hospitals in Hernando County in 2009 tobacco-free. First round passage, and we were the first county in the state of Florida.
First county in the state of Florida.
Yes,
that
to get those
awesome.
all 3 hospitals done. And like I said, that a lot of that work I was kind of on the back end of that one. Ann Gail Ellis in the health department headed that up because that was their responsibility,
yeah.
And my responsibilities. I've got other things, but we all work together. So
and there are so many programs that would be hard for us to hit them all that we have out there, but I know that a lot of I think one thing that you are real proud of is your Friday Night Done Right program, and maybe you can tell us a little bit about that.
Oh, I'd love to. Actually, our Friday Night Done Right social norming program has been a 4-year project. This was funded by a federal grant, and how it started was we approached all the schools, and any school that was interested in working with us, we had them do a perception survey. And after we had a scientist design a survey and analyze the results, and they told us what the perceptions of our youth from middle school to high school were. And then after that, we looked at our deficient areas and where we needed work. And then we selected, actually, myself and 30 youth in the community selected the Friday Night Done Right campaign. I wanted youth buy-in because I didn't want to pick something that wasn't going to be successful, that they couldn't, resonate with, and that they, would support and not make fun of. And it's been a huge success. In fact, tomorrow night at 6 o'clock at the
You do this every week?
No, we're in our last year of it, and we're doing one event a month at the YMCA.
So it'll be tomorrow night.
The first Friday of every month, with the exception of January, because it was New Year's Eve, from 7 to 9. And in our last year, we're going to try to help transition it to the Y because they would like to see if they could sustain it. But in the past, we've targeted sports events like kickball, sand volleyball, cornhole. Now we're going to have a glow-in-the-dark run, a tie-dye, a drum circle.
So people that want
Any
to
youth
participate,
in Hernando County that wants to participate free of charge just shows up at the YMCA 7 o'clock to 9 p.m. the first Friday of the month.
except for in January, which
Right.
is we've
The
already
second Friday.
probably missed that by the time that
Right.
they're going to listen to this. And
Right.
and I just again, Tresa, I just would like to thank you for making a difference in our community. And it is, you know, again, it takes a community effort, but it also takes a great leader like yourself. And so I just would like to again congratulate you on the award and thank you for all that you do to making Hernando County awesome. Hernando County.
Okay, great. But I do have to say, it's not me. I had so much help. I cannot take all the credit. You know, I have
But
a
you're the
staff of
leader.
6. I am the leader, and, you know, I have hundreds of community partners that if we didn't have good relationships and support from them, we could never get our work done. So,
It
I'm-
takes a village.
it does
to
take a
support
village,
us, so.
and like I said, I'm very flattered, but by no means was it, you know.
Well, thank you again, and congratulations, and we
Thank
look
you.
forward to seeing you more often on awesome Hernando County.
Thank you.